There is a timeless magic in working with the rhythms of the moon. Just as the tides rise and fall at her command, so too do our bodies, our spirits, and the plants of the earth dance to her silvery pull. To create a moon-charged herbal oil is to weave together the gifts of earth and sky, blending the healing wisdom of plants with the radiant blessings of lunar light. The process begins with intention. Every herb you choose is a messenger, a living vessel of memory and medicine. You do not simply select them for their fragrance or physical properties, but for the energy they embody. Lavender brings its gentle breath of calm, cradling the heart in peace. Rose carries the eternal vibration of love, devotion, and compassion. Rosemary brings clarity and vision, while mugwort stands as the guardian of dreams and gateways, inviting you into realms beyond the veil. Each leaf, each petal, each root becomes a sacred ally, carrying your prayer into the oil you are about to craft. The oil itself, whether olive, almond, jojoba, or another golden river, becomes the vessel. It is the cauldron, fluid and receptive, ready to embrace the whispers of the plants and the light of the moon. When you fill your jar, you are not simply pouring, you are creating a miniature universe, a sacred container where the elements will meet, converse, and transform. Once your jar is prepared, it is carried to the open night. There, beneath the stars, you place it in the embrace of the moonlight. The moon's phase becomes the silent architect of the oil's destiny. The darkness of the new moon holds the promise of beginnings, the seed planted in mystery. The waxing crescent breathes growth and momentum, drawing your dreams closer with each rising night. The fullness of the moon offers abundance, radiance, and clarity, bathing your oil in her luminous crown. And as she wanes, her light softens into release, teaching the sacred art of surrender, protection, and letting go. Through the long hours of night, as shadows stretch and silence deepens, the moon breathes her rhythm into your creation. Her silver light weaves with the green essence of the herbs, awakening them, amplifying their medicine, and marrying their energy with her own celestial memory. The oil becomes something more than a simple infusion. It becomes a potion, a talisman, a living vessel of earth and sky. When the oil has absorbed all it needs, it is ready to be used as an anointing of power and presence. You can use it to consecrate candles to illuminate your workings, massage it into your skin as a ritual of self-love, bless your home with its fragrance, or seal your intentions upon sacred tools, papers, or talismans. In every use, it carries the roots of the earth and the starlight of the heavens, a marriage of grounding and transcendence, an eternal reminder that all magic flows from the union of above and below. To craft moon-charged herbal oil is to participate in the ancient dance of alchemy. It is to remember your place within the great cycle of creation, where nature and cosmos meet in harmony. Each time you anoint yourself with it, you are not only blessing your body, you are reminding your spirit that you, too, are a creature of both soil and starlight. You are rooted and infinite, mortal and divine, carrying within you the same light that shines above and the same wisdom that grows beneath.